Hey guys, Brennan Spark here. Today I want to share with you what I think is the best cleaning solution for all of your lenses. I use the Lens Cleanse Natural Lens Cleaning Kit by Hoodman, and this video is not sponsored. I just love these lens wipes so much and they work really well that I thought I would share them with you. First of all, they are extremely portable. They are perforated right down the center where you can fold them in half and then just stuff them into any camera bag or pocket. So thus, there's no excuse to have a dirty lens anymore. In addition, you no longer need to carry a big bottle and a towel with you in your camera bag. Now what's unique about this cleaning kit is it contains a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And when you use both of these in combination, it allows you to clean your lens perfectly and to keep it streak-free. So to clean my lens, I'm first going to tear the side of the packet that contains the wet wipe. And then I can use this wipe to clean the surface of my lens. And then to finish it, I'm then going to tear the side of the packet that has the dry wipe. And with the dry wipe, what's nice about it is it allows me to polish my lens so it's clean and it's perfect. Another great thing is with just one packet, there's enough juice in it to clean all of my lenses. I told you, these lens wipes are incredible. Once I discovered them, I immediately fell in love with them. Now, if you would like to pick up some of these lens wipes for yourself, you can get a packet of 12 for $10 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you would like to check them out. One thing I forgot to mention is these lens wipes are also eco-friendly. So they don't contain any harsh chemicals, and thus they're not going to damage any of the optical coatings of your lenses, and they don't leave any nasty residual after smell. So they're good for your lenses and they're good for the environment. If you think these lens wipes are cool, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button right down below if you're new to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hey, if you didn't check out my latest video, be sure to watch and see what's in my camera bag. I'll leave it linked somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.